Abu Hassan. Oh. Hi. Puddles. Frick. Hey, live in Wisconsin. Look at a hurricane. Lame. Gravity. Why are you so heavy? Quaker, quit making noise. Amish. Using a 2-cycle engine. You can do it. You can do it all night long. Hey. Do 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 do. Hey everybody, welcome back to another impromptu episode, and of course another low budget video. There's an old welding table here that we recently converted into a painting palette for my wife. Since we refinished the floors in the art loft, we don't want to scratch it. So I have to cut this down, put some wheels on it, and that's what we're going to do today. Impromptu. This might be a great lesson for people, and it might be a horrible train wreck for other people trying to watch, scratching their head. Why did I do this? I've made horrible choices in my life, but this video is not the best choice. Okay, here we go. We're going to do something, even if it's wrong. The top of the painting palette should be about 30 inches tall, 6 inches less than standard countertop. Then my wife also has a long paintbrush. So I'm going to be cutting this at about 27.5 to account for the thickness and depth of the wheels. So that's what you get to watch. You get to watch me cut stuff because it's fun. And sparks are fun. Yes, sparks are fun. And you just found out that it's going to be one of those videos where you just get to watch me cut and then sand and then weld. And well, you're in for a treat, buddy. Just beautiful. Remember, boys and girls, there is no better safety tip than to wear these safety glasses. Now to grind everything level, hopefully. And just for all of you hillbillies and rednecks out there, use a guard. It comes with the guard. Use it. I guess it depends where it sits. I'll say that's good. Oh, here I am. Now we're gonna get ready to start prepping for welding. I'm not gonna I won't make you watch this. The welding part might be fun. See you then. I'm ready to weld. I'm gonna have you watch. Not that I need to. I did a tester. Yeah, my welds are terrible. That's embarrassing. I don't have a lot of experience with a gasless flux core at 110 volts. My wire is too thin for the thickness of this metal, but I'll make it work. So you can watch me struggle. It'll be fun. Point and laugh. You can leave a comment down below. Laugh in a comment if you like. I don't. Well, that was an adventure. Stuff happens, but it works. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. It's gonna go back up in the loft, but we're currently doing the poly job on it, so it's gonna look cool. Wait and see, it's coming. I'm happy with it. The welds turned out nice. Might show you the welds. It's up to me, you know. I'm the boss, applesauce. What can you do? So here is the finished welding table palette. I have the wheels installed. Those were the ones that were welded. And if you look at the welds, woo! They're acceptable. I wouldn't get through college on them, but they're good for, gasless flux core. No, that's not the hole I blasted through. That was one of those holes. Don't you judge me, monkey. We made a nice glass top for it with some white foam core underneath it for some cushion. After using it, We're probably gonna switch that out and put a gray neutral foam core on it, just because the colors turn out better according to the wife. I need to put some little shims under here because when it's a really old welding table, it's not perfectly flat. But I have locking casters on it way down there. Another acceptable, okay, no, okay, never mind. A welding pallet table works out super well, never enough room. So in addition to that, we made some movable tables that are the exact same height as that pallet. So we have one table here and another table here, just so my wife has adequate room to put all of the painting supplies so she can use this palette, the sole purpose of mixing colors for her paintings. Painting, and of course that handsome devil way down there. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned a little bit about how to make a welding table painting palette out of a welding table. We wanted something cool. It used to be her dad's. We're not sure if it was her grandpa's, but it has a lot of cool history in it, and now it's for painting. So that's pretty cool. It was a welding table that's now for fine art painting. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time, whenever that is. Terrible at ending these, really am. Maybe, I don't know, I should get a director, I just have to cut! Well, bye everybody.